In this video I will explain you how to install Python on Windows 10. So for this open your browser and type install Python and then select download python.org, and then from here download Python 3.9.5, that is latest version for Windows 10, and then click on this and run. Install now, press yes. Setup was successful, then close. On start button and write IDLE and then click on this. So this window will open and your Python 3.9.5 has been installed on your system. You can write x equal to 2. You can write and then x. See this, it is working.